Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Acura MDX maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button right here. This button right here is also act as a scroller. And go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and go ahead and use that scroller and scroll. As you can see, maintenance past due. You can go ahead and scroll it down until you find vehicle setting. Click on that. Now go down to maintenance info, enter on that, scroll down to reset and enter on that. And that is it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.